Hi there, and welcome back to the BioStar Air tutorial series. If you manage more than one site in BioStar Air, you'll love to hear about the Site Selector, a simple feature that saves you time and eliminates the headache of juggling multiple logins. Previously, managing different BioStar Air sites meant setting up separate email addresses and passwords for each one. But with the new Site Selector, you can log into the BioStar Air portal with just one email address and manage all your sites from a single account. So how does it work? Let's break it down into two scenarios, one for new sites and another for existing ones. If you're setting up a new site, just use the same admin email you've used before when creating it through the partner portal. BioStar Air will automatically link the new site to your account. Now, if you've been managing different sites with different emails, don't worry. You can consolidate them by submitting a quick request to Suprema's support team. Whether you're using aliases or totally separate emails, just let support know, and they'll merge everything into your main email. Once that's complete, you're ready to roll. Here's what logging in looks like. Navigate to admin.biostarair.com in your favorite browser. Enter your consolidated email and password, just like normal. After logging in, the Site Selector pops up automatically, but only if you have access to more than one site. From there, you'll see a list of all the sites connected to your account. You can scroll through or use the search bar. For quick access, you can also mark your favorite sites by clicking the star icon. Click the one you want, and you're instantly taken to that site's dashboard. Easy, right? And by the way, your access rights and admin roles stay separate for each site, so no need to worry about overlapping permissions. One quick note, if you don't see the Site Selector after logging in, or if something looks off, it might mean the migration hasn't been completed yet. Just reach out to Suprema's support and they'll sort it out for you. That's it for this walkthrough. The Site Selector feature makes managing multiple BioStar Air sites way easier. Thanks for watching.